Have you noticed a rather unpleasant sound coming from your VHS Rewinder? I assume you have just as I have. It's certainly great having a VHS Rewinder. It takes on some of the workload of which I know my VCR would be thankful to be relieved of, and I find it gets my movie rewound faster. So here's the problem I'm finding. You hear that? Not good. I don't like that sound. See, that sound, it doesn't sound like it's good for the tape either. And you want to treat a copy of Lawnmower Man with the kind of care that a copy of Lawnmower Man deserves. Some tapes I wouldn't worry about too much, such as this Sports Blooper Awards VHS, because you see they offer a 2-year warranty, so I think I'm okay for a while there. But anyways, luckily I got an easy fix for this rewinder. You see, the problem is this lid doesn't go all the way down. I can press it down and resolve the issue, of course, but I want the freedom of not having to do this. This is usually the time I want to be gearing up another movie into the VCR. So what I'll do, I'll grab a hockey puck or two, and maybe a piece of granite tile that I had kicking around. It's got some decent weight to it. And I'll find the sweet spot for the puck and simply make a stack. Might have to rearrange, find the spot that works just great, or, you know, even this, it's still an improvement on that horrible sound it had before, and hey, yeah, that works great. I'll now be able to watch The Lawnmower Man, knowing it was safely and efficiently rewound.